We'll let our customers explain why they chose Multi-Conveyor. From craft brewing to hot fill, specialty bakery, craft sodas and more, e-commerce, and ready-to-drink co-packers, let's go!
Long story short, we added more equipment in the same space, and, doubled our functionality, and we have more walking space, more usable, functional space in the same square footage, and we just wouldn't have gotten there without Multi-Conveyor. A couple of things I really appreciated during the design and fabrication process, and also the installation process, was, whenever I had a small issue, I would say, hey, I'm really kind of hoping for something that might be a little different. I never got any hesitation. All I ever got was, hey, can you just even do a little tiny hand sketch and send it to us so we get an idea of what you want? We'll make it happen. Even on such a small line, there was a lot of details when you're integrating into old equipment. No hesitation, great execution. Just thinking about how Multi-Conveyor addressed our challenges or things that we saw once things, rubber meets the road. We needed a little bit different dimensions, and of course you don't know that until you're trying to actually install it and do something with it. So I made one comment in a text message, just saying like, hey, I'm not sure if it's right, I'm not sure if we can make a little bit of difference. I thought maybe, we could slow walk through how to fix it over the next week or two. Every team member at Multi-Conveyor took it as a personal challenge, and I was really blown away by that, because that's how usually I react. Everyone was relentless until we had the correct transfer plate. It's just such a small detail, but we had multiple calls per day, multiple emails. I didn't have to push on anything. Everybody wanted to solve the problem as quickly as possible. That means a lot to me. Part of our process is a hot fill process, which requires us to have the hot jam put onto the lid. What Multi-Conveyor did for us was build us a conveyor that could house 2 sets of inverters. They were very helpful in setting that up for us, how long of a conveyor we needed, the speed it needs to run, to make sure that when it gets flipped over, it's over for at least 30 seconds.
Multi-Conveyor also did this for us. This sensor here senses whether or not the jar has a cap, and then it will push that jar out like that.
They made sure everything was easy to wash. One of the things we like is the cleanout ports. The leg design is much easier to clean than some of our other conveyors we've had.
Our canning line runs 4 different size jars. Multi-Conveyor's rail adjustments are really well made to make adjustments for different size jars.
And just the fit and finish is very nice on them.
Hi, I'm Matt Time, the Packaging Operations Manager at Killer Brownie.
Hi, I am Catherine Yates. I am the Director of Operations at the Killer Brownie Company.
So last Tuesday we had a big run on a product in this type of container, and before 80-90 packs a minute was about where we could go, and then our turner would fail and jam up. With the Multi-Conveyor now, we're pushing between 100 and 110 packs a minute, no issues at all, and actually we have to upgrade other parts of our line to keep up with the Multi-Conveyor. So really happy with it so far.
And the customer service, working with Tom and your team at Multi-Conveyor has been absolutely amazing.
Yep.
So yeah, really appreciate the partnership. So.
Yep, absolutely.
So Multi-Conveyor, what they did is they came in and actually helped us lay out our design for the bottling system. They were able to help us fit it to the room. Even if something didn't work out, they came back in and made sure it worked for us. So now with this new line, we were able to upgrade, and we've had no issues so far. We're able to get out twice as much as we typically do in a day. The advantage of working with Multi-Conveyor is they're very easy to work with. Their communication's always very clear. As soon as we need to talk to them about anything, they're there for us, very friendly. Just great customer service. We needed certain things for our line, and they were able to come through for it in the end.
So what I wanted to point out is, as we were visualizing how all this could work, we worked very closely with Multi-Conveyor to build the controls so that all these pieces can communicate. So the controls that multi-conveyor conveyors built communicate upstream, tell the wrapper to slow down, tell the ARB table to stop sending pairs to this line so that they can figure out what's going on in the one line, get it resolved. When they turn the line back on, the controls tell the wrapper to speed up, tell the ARB table to start going back and forth again.
You see this type of belting you see, we had this over there when we were doing our application, but they were sliding around a little bit, so we put more of a grippy belt on, and it just worked out great.
For the reject, when we scan this, we're communicating to the PLC that was programmed by Multi-Conveyor to actuate that arm to do the reject of the bad thing.
We had never used plastic conveyor before, so it was intriguing and nerve-wracking, but we're really happy how things turned out. They ride so nice. And we've had zero downtime with regard to the conveyor and the motors and everything, so just from a serviceability standpoint, it's been fantastic. It's been a really good partnership that we look to continue over the next many years.
We designed the building layout. Chris came in and kind of helped us decide what conveyor layout would work best to cut costs. So the way we were dividing that to get into the tunnel pasteurizer, they helped us come up with a better way to cut costs in terms of the actual conveyor process by just helping us with layout.
Regarding future expansion, Artie's VP told us they are looking at a new facility which would include some major expansion of conveyors. Ryan will continue to work with Chris on all future quotes due to our speed in quoting, ease to work with, and great communication throughout the process. See all of the conveyor systems discussed in this video by visiting www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's get working on your next conveyor. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best, conveyed better.